Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get premium status on Roblox. Builder Club was a foundational premium membership, offering exclusive benefits like daily Robux and special items. While the original Builder Club is no longer available, its spirit lives on through Roblox Premium. This guide will walk you through understanding its history and how to achieve a similar premium status today, ensuring you grasp the evolution of Roblox's membership offerings. Historically, Builder Club members enjoyed several distinct advantages. They received a daily stipend of 15 Robux, which was a significant boost for in-game purchases. Members also accessed exclusive items and features, enhancing their gameplay experience. Furthermore, the ability to create up to 100 groups was a major benefit. The Builder Club badge proudly displayed their premium status to the entire Roblox community. The evolution from Builder Club led to the current Roblox Premium membership. This updated program continues to provide an enhanced experience for its subscribers. Premium members receive a monthly Robux allowance, which varies by plan, ensuring a steady flow of in-game currency. Additionally, they enjoy a 10% bonus on all Robux purchases, maximizing their value. This system maintains the core benefits of its predecessor. To obtain Roblox Premium today, the process is straightforward. First, go to the official Roblox website. Next, locate and click on the Premium section, usually found in the main navigation. You will then choose from 3 available membership tiers, each offering different monthly Robux amounts. Finally, complete the secure payment process using your preferred method. Once subscribed, you will immediately gain access to all premium benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.